A former Halava guard who was fired after taking part in the beating of a prisoner was given a year of probation for the assault. The victim's attorney says he's still suffering because of the attack. Jai Cunningham has details.
This is video of the June 16, 2009 attack by prison guards on Joseph Tuohy. Once the punching stops, there is one final act of violence. Guard Alan Tevanga kicks Tuohy in the head.
It's clear that it was not necessary what happened to Mr. Tuohy.
I take responsibility. I know what I did was wrong. I was caught up in the heat of the moment.
Tevanga pleaded no contest to a third-degree assault charge. He was asking for a deferred acceptance plea, meaning he would get a chance to have the charge dismissed if he could stay out of trouble for a year.
Mr. Tuohy's position is that this individual should not be allowed to have a deferred acceptance, that he needs to bear the same burden that any other person does who seeks or gets probation, who has an assault conviction against them.
I'm a good person, and sometimes good people make mistakes. And I hope I get a chance to prove to you that you'll never see me in this court again.
The action that was taken by kicking Mr. Tuohy in the head was an exercise in personal gratification with the sole purpose of inflicting pain on a defenseless, mentally ill individual.
Judge Wilson gave Tevanga 1 year probation and denied the request for a deferred acceptance, which means Tevanga now has a criminal record.
That, in the state's opinion, would ensure that someone like this individual, particularly him, will no longer be able to hold any type of law enforcement position and abuse that power.
Breiner says his client Tuohy was isolated because of mental illness at the time of the beating and continues to suffer.
He is in constant lockdown that he feels is retaliatory because a lot of the guards that are there are still and were very good friends of these defendants, and they are upset that these defendants have lost their job.
Jai Cunningham, KHON2 News, Hawaii's news leader.
The two other former Halava guards who pled no contest to third-degree assault charges were Puifatu Fiso Jr. and Darren Kaniai Akala. Fiso Jr. received 100 hours community service and was granted deferred acceptance, giving him a chance to have his record wiped clean. Kaniai Akala was sentenced to 100 hours of community service, but he was denied a deferred acceptance.